Welcome, beautiful you family, back to my channel. I know I have been gone for a long time and I do wanna apologize. I had some business to be taken care of, and that's the reason why I have been missing in action. So today, I am bringing you a very beautiful hairstyle that I did for one of my clients. So please sit back and enjoy how I was able to style her hair. If you like it, please like and share. And of course, I want you to subscribe because I am back and I will be posting a lot of videos that I've recorded. So please keep watching and let me know if you like this video. Thank you and hope to see